Hello viewers, welcome to my channel The English Horizons. I am your host and coach Indresh Gautam. As you know, we are studying figures of speech nowadays. So let's start without delay. There is a figure of speech, oxymoron. We shall try to understand it now. So far as the definition is concerned, its definition is oxymoron is a special form of antithesis whereby two contradictory qualities are predicted at once of the same thing. It means two opposite qualities of an object are described in a single statement. ऑक्सीमोरन को हम हिंदी में समझें तो ये विरोधाभास अलंकार का ही एक विशेष रूप है। इसमें किसी एक वस्तु के दो विरोधी गुणों को एक ही बार में व्यक्त कर दिया जाता है और एक साथ रखा जाता है, इसलिए और इस प्रकार इसका नाम जो है ऑक्सीमोरन है। और इसको हम एंटीथेसिस जो एक फिगर ऑफ स्पीच है उसका ही एक विशेष प्रकार यह है। लेट्स चेक सम एग्जांपल्स. We shall try to understand it through examples. A pleasing pain of love. Pleasing pain of love. Here two words, pleasing and pain. They are very contradictory and they have been used in a single sentence, but they have meaning, their own meaning. So here the technique of oxymoron has been used. This figure of speech oxymoron has been used in this sentence. Some other examples. He is regularly irregular. Regularly irregular. नियमित रूप से अनियमित है. तो यहां पर भी हम ऑक्सीमोरन का प्रयोग कर रहे हैं. One more example. James First was the wisest fool. James First जो था wisest fool था, सबसे बुद्धिमान मूर्ख. Here also you can understand it. Wisest fool, सबसे बुद्धिमान मूर्ख, है ना? It means we are using the technique of oxymoron. तो ये यहाँ पर oxymoron है. हमने oxymoron इस figure of speech का प्रयोग किया है. So I think you have got the meaning and applications of the oxymoron. That's all for today. If you find my videos informative or helpful in any way, do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you very much.